Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. My name is Vanessa. I am so happy that you are here. Today's video, we are going to be doing my Sephora Spring VIB sale haul. I am so excited to be doing this video because I have not really tried the majority of the products. And I say majority because they came in different packages and you'll see in just a sec why and what I have opened. But I'm going to make this intro super short and sweet because I'm very excited to be doing this video and unboxing my VIB sale haul with you guys. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first items I want to briefly talk about, because if you are following me and you're not new here on my channel, you have already seen that I posted my Rare Beauty Discovery eyeshadow palette, and I also picked up the Rare Beauty eyeshadow primer. So those two items, I did a whole video and review on them. Okay, so I am back. I actually went ahead and grabbed them. So I did this Rare Beauty review. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It's actually been one of the palettes that I've been wearing a lot recently. It's actually the eyeshadow palette that I have been using quite a lot off camera. I have been using this guy ever since I did that video for you. But I do highly recommend. It is very nice and the shades are really creamy. They're very easy to go on. You don't need to blend much or even keep going in with these shadows. Really great. So go check out that video if you have not already checked it out already. And then the eyeshadow primer, the only thing I didn't like is that I did see that they only have this shade. So if you are like very deep, medium skin tone and even deeper, they don't even have a primer for you. So I feel like Selena Gomez really needs to, the founder of course of Rare Beauty, really needs to include more shades of this eyeshadow primer, because of course it's not going to suit all. So, but other than that, it is nice and I have liked it so far. But go check out that video because I go further into detail about that whole primer. So the next thing that I picked up was this Glow Recipe Pineapple Bright Serum. This is a vitamin C serum. I did pick up this guy, which I already opened it up because, as I mentioned to you before, I got everything in separate packages. So I've been using my vitamin C every day. The main reason why I picked up this vitamin C was because I am trying to correct some dark spots. I recently went and got a facial, as you're probably well aware of already, but I've been trying to correct my dark spots on my face from sun damage from not using your SPF. So this is a sign, use your SPF if you're not already. My esthetician told me that I needed to use a vitamin C because I'm trying to reverse signs of dark spots and sun damage. So I picked this guy up. I have not been trying it for more than 4 days, so I can't really give you a full review, but I will keep you updated. A lot of people have been raving about that vitamin C serum. It's not new, so let me know if you have tried it and what it has done for you if you have been using it for a period of time. I'm really anxious to get into the new stuff that I have not unboxed, so let's quickly move on to the last product that I already opened. This is the Dermalogica, and it's upside down. This is the Dermalogica Active Moist Moisturizer. This is a moisturizer, basically, they're in simple. It has probiotics, so it's supposed to help balance your skin over time. I have used a lot of moisturizers I love. I really been raving about my IT Cosmetics moisturizer, but to your surprise, and to my surprise especially, I have dehydrated skin. So my esthetician told me that I needed to use this because I need to basically balance out my skin and give it that nice moisture that it's begging for. If it's dehydrated, it's begging for some good moisture. So I got the Dermalogica and I picked this guy up. This one is the 1.7 ounce. I believe this retails for $49. So it was a great deal to get it during the VIB sale. The bigger one is like $67, $66. Don't quote me on that, but I will pick it up once I need to. But it goes a long way. It's very creamy and lightweight, which I do like because it doesn't suffocate the skin. So I've been loving that. Don't be needing her. Oh boy. Okay. I'm seeing all the things I got and I'm like, oh yeah, I got her. Oh yeah, I got that. Oh, okay. So the next item I picked up that's already coming out of its packaging is the Supergoop Glow Sunscreen. As I was mentioning before, I'm really trying to protect my skin from the sun. I advise you to do the same. This is the Glow Sunscreen by Supergoop. This is a Glow Screen by Supergoop. This is a sunscreen. It's your SPF, but with a glow to it. So I love that very glowy, dewy, fresh skin, as you're well aware of if you've been watching my videos. But I really like this because people have been recommending it for giving you that luminosity to the skin, that very fresh face skin look. So pick that guy up, very excited. It's just the SPF, but with a glow. So next thing we have is the Kosas 10-second eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, and I got the shade Globe. So I got this liquid eyeshadow mainly because Jamie Page here on YouTube, she's like the sweetest ever. She recommended this eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, and she's been raving about it ever since. And I'm kind of weirded out by the texture. You see that? Liquidy. That's supposed to be like that? Maybe if I shake it up. But anyways, got the shade Globe. She's been raving about it. She loves it. You put it on the eyelid and then you just blend it a little bit with the brush, like just to kind of make it very nice and seamless on the lid. Oh yeah. Okay, so here is the applicator on this liquid eyeshadow. It's very liquidy right now. I don't know if that's because it's been in its box that it kind of gets a little like melted. But when I swatched it on the back of my hand, it's fine. It's not liquidy. It's not running down. Look at how beautiful. It's like a champagne with like a very warm undertone to it. You see that? Really pretty. So I do like that. And she was right. It's a very, very pretty shade. So that is the shade Globe. Definitely like already. We will see once I apply it to the eyes. Next thing I picked up is the Bite Beauty, what is this called? Upswing liquid eyeliner. So I've been wanting a different eyeliner for my like wing liner, my wing cat eye, to do my cat eye. Ooh, very nice, pretty packaging by Bite Beauty. I've been wanting a new eyeliner because the eyeliner I have by Benefit, it's not the greatest. It used to be like the best thing ever. I'm feeling like it's kind of gone down in quality almost. I don't know. But I feel like the tip doesn't always get wet, so you have a lot of like skipping almost. The other one I love and swear by is Stila. I do like how precise it is. So that's the one I have found to work the best. So I'm really curious. Oh, and it's a twist cap. Oh, okay. Very nice. Long wand. Very nice and jet black. Pretty precise. I mean, it's just an eyeliner, but I've been hearing really good things about this as well, so I decided to pick it up, and it's new, so I got that guy. Next thing I got is very bougie, and that's expensive, but I figured, hey, it's the VIB sale, why not splurge? So I picked up the Dior Backspace. I picked up the Dior Backstage Face and Body Powder. No powder? I got the shade, what did I get? This is a shade 2N. I know this is currently sold out because I checked and I wanted to see like, okay, did they have the shade that I wanted originally? Because I wanted like one shade lighter. I like to go one shade lighter just to kind of brighten up the face. But anyways, this is the shade 2N. This is what the packaging looks like. Very, very pretty. You have that clear case like. And then this is the detail of Dior imprinted on the powder. Let me swatch it. It's feeling very lightweight, very little color right there. But it almost looks like it doesn't have any color. So we will see how it looks. If it's too dark and it oxidizes on the skin, then I will have to go and exchange it for my right shade. Fingers crossed, we'll see. It does look a little bit deep, but I will let you guys know in a video. Maybe I can do a whole makeup look with everything that I bought, or what I bought that's actually makeup, because since I bought some skincare as well. Next thing that I'm very excited about is One Size. This is the One Size Powder Foundation by Patrick Starr. What shade did I get? I got the shade Light Neutral. So I'm neutral undertone. I have a little bit of yellow, but I am still on the cooler side. So This is what this powder looks like. It really looks like it's going to be my shade. It's pretty close. So we will see. I'm not gonna lie, I got this powder because of TikTok. I've seen people use it like with their foundation and then setting the foundation in place, kind of like a finishing powder. And then I've also seen them just using it on its own as a powdered foundation, exactly what it is. So if you have tried, please comment down below if you have tried this guy and what do you think? Have you liked it? Have you not liked it? Why don't you like it? Let me know because I'm very curious to see if that one's even worth it. Okay, and last but not least, we aren't done. We have a couple samples in the box. But anyways, last but not least, we got the, what I'm very excited for. This is the Patrick Ta Sculpting Cream Bronzer and Powder Bronzer. This is a shade She's Sculpted. Like that name. I love that name. That's very cute. So this is what it looks like. Rose gold packaging. We have a cream bronzer and a powder bronzer. You have a very nice mirror inside. And then this is what She's Sculpted. She's Sculpted looks way too deep for me. Okay, so I didn't realize, but She's Sculpted says medium on the packaging. And this looks more like for deeper skin tones, not medium. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to return this guy, exchange it. Not return, exchange. But look how cool it has like the little flip for your cream bronzer. For your cream bronzer, then you just put it down and then you can use your powder bronzer so it doesn't disrupt or the dust get into the cream bronzer. I think that's like genius packaging right there. Really nice. If you are medium skin tone, this definitely will suit you. It's really, really nice. I love the cream bronzer undertone. So yeah, definitely a really, really pretty, but we'll need to be exchanging it because it looks way too deep for my complexion. I'm like a light medium, but I want to say even just light. I'm not fair, but I'm not medium. I would be like a light to light medium skin tone. I know that the lights can kind of throw you off sometimes, but really pretty. So we'll have to exchange that guy. Okay guys, so that is it for my Sephora VIB makeup haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox my makeup products that I just got. Overall, I'm really happy with what I bought. I'm a little disappointed that I still have to wait for the Patrick Ta cream and powder bronzer duo. I really wanted to try that out already, so I'm kind of disappointed. The other thing that I'm kind of disappointed about a little bit is the Dior backstage powder. I feel like I need to definitely exchange it. It looks a little peachy to me. So I don't know if you noticed that, but it doesn't look like it's gonna really suit my complexion. I am really happy and excited. I'm so finally happy that I got this video out for you guys because the struggle bus of waiting to open these things has been real. Also, let me know what you guys got in your VIB sale haul. Did you guys get anything? What did you guys pick up? Did you guys end up liking or returning? Let me know because I really am interested in seeing what you guys also picked up during this VIB sale. This sale happens about 2 times in a year, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but definitely a time to pick up some of the things that you've been eyeing throughout the year. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like this video if you have enjoyed unboxing my makeup with me. And you already know, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, because I would love for you to join the fam. So that is it for me. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Love you guys. Bye.